Join us as we take on the challenge of sticking to a beginner's home workout routine for an entire week. In this video, you'll learn easy home workout routines designed specifically for beginners to kickstart your fitness journey. Many beginners struggle to find effective and simple workout routines that fit into their busy schedules and motivate them to stay active. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results or feel overwhelmed by complex exercise plans. As a result, many of us give up on our fitness goals before we even give ourselves a chance to succeed. Building a consistent workout routine takes time, patience, and dedication, but it's worth it in the long run. The key is to start small and find exercises that you enjoy, so you'll look forward to doing them every day. Having a solid plan in place can make all the difference in staying motivated and reaching your goals. A common misconception about working out at home is that you need a lot of equipment or a huge space. The truth is, you can get a great workout with little to no equipment and in a tiny space like a living room or bedroom. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Even short, consistent workouts can make a big impact. The most important thing is to find a routine that you can stick to in the long term, rather than trying fad diets or extreme workouts that you can't maintain. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results and making progress towards your fitness goals. We'll explore different types of beginner-friendly exercises, including bodyweight workouts, flexibility routines, and tips for creating a balanced fitness plan. Bodyweight exercises are a great way to get started because they require zero equipment and can be modified to suit your fitness level. Flexibility routines are also crucial for improving overall mobility and reducing the risk of injury. When creating a balanced fitness plan, it's essential to include a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises to keep your body challenged and prevent plateaus. A well-rounded fitness plan can also help you avoid boredom and prevent overtraining, which can lead to burnout. Another key aspect of a successful fitness plan is setting realistic goals and tracking your progress. This can be as simple as taking progress photos, tracking your workouts, or measuring your body fat percentage. Having a clear idea of where you're headed and how you're doing can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Discover the top 3 beginner workouts that you can do at home with little to no equipment, which will help you set and achieve your fitness goals. The first workout is a bodyweight circuit that targets your entire body, including your arms, legs, and core. This workout can be done in just 20 minutes and requires zero equipment, making it perfect for busy days. The second workout is a flexibility routine that focuses on stretching and improving your overall mobility. This workout is great for increasing your range of motion, reducing muscle tension, and improving your posture. The best part is that you can do it in just 15 minutes a day, making it easy to fit into even the busiest of schedules. The third workout is a cardio blast that gets your heart rate up and burns calories in just 30 minutes. This workout requires minimal equipment, such as a jump rope or a resistance band, and can be done in a small space, like a living room or bedroom. To summarize, staying active at home is accessible and can be enjoyable with these simple routines tailored for beginners. Remember, the key is to start small, be consistent, and make adjustments as you go along. Don't be too hard on yourself if you don't see results right away. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. If you found this video helpful, like and leave a comment below to share your favorite home workout. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video from us. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.